You know, it's important for OSU to invest in leaders is to continue to develop their teams, to develop that supervisory line, that managerial line, so that we can become better. We can move from good to great. We can always get better. The investments they make today are going to pay dividends tomorrow.
You either invest in leadership development or you suffer the cost of, lackluster leadership. I mean, that's been kind of my experience in organizations. I mean, if you focus on it and building and growing people, you're a better organization, more efficient, more flexible, and more competitive.
One of the things I learned in Bolt is that as a leader, you can have all the bright ideas in the world and all kinds of methods and plans, but if you don't engage a team, you'll never accomplish your goal. One person can't accomplish a goal that's very large. The only way to accomplish that goal is by working as a team. And that's one of the things that Bolt has taught me to do, is how to engage my team in a way so that everyone feels included, everyone feels recognized, and then you know if you've succeeded because everyone feels like they're a part of it.
It always comes back in the end to the two things. What action are you going to take, and how is this going to make things better for your staff?
Leadership comes in many different styles and forms. You don't have to be the drum major in front of the band to be the leader. You can lead at all levels, and people do lead at all levels, and to nurture those skills can help anybody at any level.
Be approachable, being not judgmental, and recognizing that everyone is different, and therefore communication with each person is going to be a little different.
Training myself to think in new ways, to take advantage of the way that younger employees are thinking, to be able to expand and exploit and increase productivity in the process.
Being a leader, there's so many things that you have to take into account, and I feel like that communication was one of the things that I'm good at, but I would really like to improve on that, and also helping the people that I supervise to enjoy what they're doing, to be setting goals and making those goals, attaining those goals, having recognition for those goals being met.
I would say the biggest lesson is to not take yourself too seriously in leadership, that it's okay to make a mistake. You may have to say you're sorry, but if you're dealing with the people that you work with, the teams that you work with, both in your own office and then in other people's offices, if you're just really honest about what you're trying to accomplish and then interacting with people as people, that it's both enjoyable for you, more enjoyable for other people, and that you're more likely to actually accomplish the thing that you're trying to accomplish together.
You try and be a leader in your field, but that doesn't teach you how to lead. Getting promoted to management doesn't make you a good manager. So it's allowed me to take some of those intangible concepts and really make them tangible. So take things that I didn't know really were part of being a good leader and really force me to look at them, and setting an example, and being a good communicator, and including other people's ideas, and letting people feel valued. How do I feel valued? And all of those things came together at Bolt in a way that I've never seen it come together that way. The willingness of OSU to do that, to put this program together, to take people that are potentially leaders, by putting us in this formal training, they've given us the ability to become better leaders, and that we know what steps we need to take.
I've never felt more supported. I have worked, I taught for 13 years in various states in the country, and then I went and worked for NASA for 3.5 years as a curriculum developer. And as supported as I was in those roles, I have never felt more supported by an employer, an institution, as I have since I started working for OSU.
Because we're a big family, and when someone is needing refinement or additional skills, this is an opportunity where we're allowed to do that, and our own personal growth is what is being promoted.
I have fantastic people that are under me. I have an incredible boss, and she has an incredible boss as well. And so they make coming to work each and every day worthwhile. It's not a task, it's something that we look forward to.
People are passionate about OSU. They enjoy working here. They love the OSU brand, and so when you have that type of energy, it makes it, that energy translates into the workplace.
I love OSU. I loved being a student there. I have 3 degrees from this institution. I bleed orange. And so this was my dream job.
What we do is to take people from where they are to where they want to be. So you can't really get much better than that, helping people to better themselves, to better the lives of others, and ultimately to make this a better city and state.